Hey everybody, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. Welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I want to go over a quick and easy tutorial with you guys of how to clean your makeup brushes. I have a ton here and they're super dirty. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is your makeup brushes with makeup on them, some gentle shampoo. I like to use baby shampoo. I know lots of people use Dawn or vinegar. That kind of strips the brushes and makes them sort of brittle and dry. I just use the Shea Moisture Argan baby shampoo. Honestly, this has worked the best for me. I've tried like 10-15 different baby shampoos and this one keeps them super soft while also cleaning really well. And then lastly, two optional products. I have this little brush cleaner here. It has kind of a rough surface so that you can kind of dig in with your eye makeup brushes that have a lot of like waterproof product on them. And that's just really cheap from Amazon. I'll link it below. And then lastly, optional is this cup. You can put some soap and water in here and soak your brushes before you actually wash them. This works really well for like a waterproof or long-lasting makeup product. But I have great luck washing mine without soaking them, so we'll do it both ways so you can decide which one you like better. So I try to wash my makeup brushes every week. Sometimes it ends up being every other week, just depending, but I really try to keep my face brushes clean, like my foundation and my concealer, because dirty brushes can lead to breakouts, and it's just really nice to have clean brushes. So come on in and let me show you how I wash my brushes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do if you want to soak your brushes is to fill your cup up with water, and then add a little of the baby shampoo to the water. Okay, so you want to keep it to where the bottom portion of your brushes is only underwater. You don't want to get water up in your handle. Okay, so we're gonna let these soak while I wash my other brushes. So I feel like the hardest thing to wash are these makeup sponges. So I'm going to fill this with water, add some shampoo, and then wring it out and do that over and over until it looks clean. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, so I like to wet the brush first. Just make sure the bristles are wet. Deposit a little bit of the soap onto it. And you can use your hands, you can use a brush mat, whatever you want. And then just rinse. So now I'm going to use my nifty little brush cleaner. This is really small, so it's good for smaller brushes. So I use this for most of my eye brushes. So instead of putting the soap right on the brushes, I'm going to put it on this cleansing pad. I'm going to wet my brush and then just rub it all along this. So you can see how the color comes out on the pad. Instead of rinsing this right away, I'm just going to use the same soap and continue on with my brushes. think this brush cleaning tool is really nice, but you can also just use your hand. You definitely don't need this tool. I just think it makes it a little bit easier when cleaning your eye brushes, especially for your little eyeliner brushes or your small brushes. There's a spot over here, and there's bigger grooves for your larger brushes. Okay, now let's rinse all of them. Simple, super easy, inexpensive. It's a great way to wash your brushes and keep them nice and soft and supple without drying them out and making them brittle. Now, sometimes I'll leave my brushes drying just around the sink here so they can drain into the sink. Other times I'll just get a towel and I'll roll one edge of it so that the handles are elevated above the bristles so that all of the water drains toward the bristles and not down in the handle. So I'll show you that. Okay, so I have my towel laid out here. I'm just going to tuck one edge under so that my handles are elevated above my bristles and just lay my brushes out. And if your handles are dirty, just wipe them off with a wet cloth. You don't really want to run them underwater because you don't want this portion of your handle to warp. Okay friends, and we're finished. That didn't take hardly any time at all, and it was super easy. You really don't need expensive products, and you don't need a lot of time. You can do this quickly, easily, right after you apply your makeup. The last day of the week, just wash your brushes super fast, and then you're ready for the whole week. So by using a nice and gentle baby shampoo instead of harsh chemicals such as dishwasher detergent or ammonia or vinegar, etc., you're keeping your brushes smooth and silky and supple, and you're making them last so much longer. This will keep your brushes lasting years and years and years. So I hope this tutorial was helpful and you enjoyed spending your time with me. I know I always enjoy spending my time with you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Bye.